Let's play one more tournament. Welcome to my channel. I'm struggling to put the video here. I have an application that limits me to a record of 30 minutes, and the other application, the application of Windows, let me record for more than an hour. So I would like to show the entire tournament in a single video. So let's start. I'm gonna use my Minora deck. This is the best deck of the meta. I don't have all the tools. For example, this Ruma is worse than the Witch Doctor, but I don't have the Witch Doctor. This card is crucial. Oh. And I don't have a single copy, but let's try one more time with this deck. There is gonna be 25 players, a lot of them using this deck. For example, this guy used this deck. Who else? I think this guy used this deck. This guy is using an ephemeral that uses Minora as well. So this deck is so overpowered that the meta is a little bit weird. Probably in the next patch they are gonna nerf this deck. I don't need 2 Minoras right now, actually. That's a terrible hand, guys. Terrible. I don't even know what I discard. Probably this spell. Oh my god. Terrible hand. I hope it can be enough. I would love to have Asegai. Yeah, let's discard Minora. And now we just have to find a doctor. Of course, we still have to prepare the battlefield. Okay, move a foe. Probably he's trying to use the hovering that kills the biggest creature. I will have to pass the turn. There's nothing that I can do. Let's pass. I'm gonna waste 1 action point. I really need the Asegai. The Asegai can let me kill one of these creatures. I was expecting this. It wasn't a surprise. Oh my goodness. Guys, I will have to play a terrible play right now. Terrible play. This guy is gonna be here. This one is gonna be here, killing this one. I'm gonna protect this. So I spent 6 mana and I couldn't jig my deck. I have to try to find the pieces to do the combo. Without the pieces, this deck don't work. Interesting. Interesting. I don't know why he did this, because yeah, let's kill this creature, because he could wait a little bit more to have that creature in play. To be honest, I'm gonna play. No, I was thinking to play Ruma and grab the Minora, but I won't be able to buff her in a single turn. I didn't discard enough cards, so probably this play is a terrible play, but I have to do this. That's the only thing that I have. Oh my god. I drew one card. If I draw the Assegai, I still can do the play. What? I see. I have to take care of those medics. At least one Assegai. Okay. Next turn. I can do the play, but I don't know if it's correct. Yeah, it's correct. Because... yeah, I think it is correct. Because I can play Minora here. I can draw a card. And this card, buff Minora. And then buff her again. Okay. If he kills Minora, I still can revive her. So it is a good thing. And he only has 2 cards in his deck. The 2 doctors to try. Oh my goodness. 12 damage? It can be a problem. Okay, next turn I can revive another Minora, and that's it. If he plays the car, he's gonna kill this creature. Probably it's not the correct play. He's gonna play his last turn. Okay, he spent all his mana to do this play, and he has 6 tactical action points, 2 more action points. I don't have power spell in my deck. Okay, I need to do something. I don't think 4 plus 6, 10 points. 10 points is enough to win, right? 10 points is enough. Yeah, 10 points is enough. I don't need to... yeah, 10 points is enough. I have to be aware of this play. I can play the medic to revive Sultan and draw a lot of cards. I was struggling with the lack of cards in my hand, and I almost lost. Someone is gonna play against AI. Auction winner lost. He's playing with this deck. This deck is one of the best. Probably he didn't enter the tournament. Now I have to take care about Ajronas. He's playing a combo deck but with Celestial, using the Celestial double power combo. To stop it, I have to play my Minora early and try to buff her as many as possible, and also I have to try to avoid him to grow up a creature. I can use Blizzard to kill his biggest creature and stop him to buff the creature. Who else? This guy is playing Minora. This guy is playing Minora, so I have to be aware of those threats. Come on, finish this. I think in the next stage I will record using my webcam. I will have time to open it. Come on, Marcuso. Drake, 3.5 elo, a skilled player. I can discard Minora and have the combo in hand, so I'm gonna keep this hand, although I need more resources to make the combo work. Okay, I have to kill this creature. Because his deck has a lot of cards. Now he must use the doctor to revive this hero, otherwise he's gonna draw a lot of creatures that cost 0, and the gas of his hand is gonna end in the turn 6 or turn 4. It is not enough. It is a good creature, but it's not enough. You see, he's playing those hounds but without drawing cards. So I'm gonna draw a card and discard this one, and I have to wait one more turn to do this play, because otherwise he can kill my creature. So I am gonna try to kill his creature. I have to be aware of the cards that do 3 damage in all the creatures of the row. To avoid it, I must draw my power spell. This way I can... You see? He is out of gas. 32. It seems that he's winning by a lot, but the only card that matters is the creature that costs 2 and have the ability of Wrath. It can kill all my creatures, so I must... Okay, now I think I can combo, because this card is gonna go here, this one is gonna go here, this one will be here, and this is gonna buff this. Okay, next turn I will be able to play these 2 cards buffing her, so he have this turn to kill Minora. Otherwise I'm gonna win. What kind of play is this? Okay. Oh, I see. He's gonna revive and kill Minora. Okay. Nice play. Well played. I still have one more Minora in my deck. So I'm gonna wait. Probably I can hard cast her and use this loyal ability to buff her. Really well played. Okay. Okay, perfect. No! Oh my goodness, I played it wrong. I messed it up. Now I will have to play Minora here with other... Terrible choice, man. Thanks for this play. You opened a space. Okay, 2 more turns. He's trying his best. Okay, no problem at all. How can I buff the second Minora? Do I have another medic in... Oh yeah, I have. I almost messed it up again. Next turn, I can play this card and buff her one more time. Oh, nice. Why? Why he didn't kill this creature? That one killed the strongest one? I didn't understood. I think the best play here is to I can buff her one more time, or I can just play this. Yeah, that's it. Okay guys, next match I'm gonna record in another video. I hope you guys enjoyed these two matches, and in the next video will be the following matches. See you in the next video.